Hi, my name is Greg Matthews with Sierra Pacific Windows, and today we're going to be changing the jamb liners on an H3 double hung window. I'm going to replace the jamb liner in case it gets damaged, in installation with time. There's a reason why you'd replace it if it's beyond repair. Most of the time you can do a lot of simple repairs on it. And the tools I'll use is a quarter screw gun and then the pry bars and putty knives. Lift the sash up about 6 inches or so. Okay, tilt it out, down to about 90 degrees. Lift one side, free the other. There you go. So we're going to release all the tension on the coil. And now we can work on it. Work from the inside, out. Come on loose. Loose. I'm going to take all the screws out. And I had a really cool plastic container that I normally put these in. Okay, all the tension's out, they're ready to go. They're free in there. Okay, then we'll start prying. Cover on. Okay, then we can start working the cladding off. Once you start it, you start prying by hand. And there's your jamb liners out. Then, in reverse order, work it in. Get on in there. Start working it. And I'm going to take and use a dead blow and just easily tap it in. There we go. And it just snaps in so easy like that. Can't forget the mohair. And just gently tap it in. Make sure they're seated all the way in. Okay. All right. About right there. Come on. There we go. Okay. Okay. So we are going to shimmy, shimmy. Okay, here we go. Okay. That goes up all the way. We take our bottom sash, pins, our end, the shimmy, shimmy, tilted her up, tilt latches towards the center, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching our video, and for additional information and resources, please visit our website.